certain prisoners. For example, prisoners have done a huge crime. For example, assassination. For example, if someone has made assassination for killing president or assassinate president, so I don't agree if the one who has assassinated president will get remission day. No, I don't think no way for getting remission. And then the next is someone who is make blasphemy on religion, like Ahok is make a blasphemy on blaspheme Islamic religion. I don't agree that the government give permission for him, because someone who make comment blasphemy comment should get death penalty, not remission. All right, and then I don't agree giving remission for someone who has made adultery, fornication after he or she has get married. So I don't agree if you give them remission. Next is